Introduction. Creating a children's storybook is not only a fun and creative activity, but also a valuable skill with real earning potential. Many people design colorful storybooks in Flipbook style and sell them online. Buyers may download the digital copy, or sometimes they even request a printed hard copy. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a professional flip-style storybook for kids using free AI tools. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to design a watermark-free, colorful storybook that you can either sell online or gift to someone special. As a bonus, the storybook we create in this tutorial will be available as a free download for subscribers. I'll share the link in the description, so make sure you follow along and don't skip any part of the process. Step 1. Decide on the main idea. Every great children's story starts with a strong and simple idea. Begin by brainstorming on your own. Think about topics like pet animals, friendship, sharing toys, or a fun little adventure. You can also use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you get inspired or refine your ideas. But remember, never rely 100% on AI. Your own creativity and personal touch make your story truly unique. For example, I asked ChatGPT to give me ideas for a storybook for kids aged 3 to 9. It shared a variety of options, and I chose the idea of the Little Red Hen. This story is well known in the USA, but I plan to create a modified original version so I wouldn't face any copyright issues. Step 2. Writing this story. After choosing my main idea, I moved to the writing step. I asked ChatGPT with a clear prompt. Write a storybook consisting of 14 pages of The Little Red Hen for kids 3 to 9 years old in interesting, easy, and short sentences to make this viral. ChatGPT then created a brand new 14-page story titled The Red Hen and the Blue-Dotted Egg. The story follows a kind red hen who finds a mysterious blue-dotted egg. She searches around the farm, asking different birds if the egg belongs to them, but no one claims it. Even then, she takes care of the egg, keeps it warm, and protects it. One day, a tiny bluebird hatches from the egg. Soon after, the baby's mother arrives and thanks the red hen for her kindness. The red hen ends up saving a family simply by being caring and thoughtful. Along with the story, I also requested an outline to guide the flow, writing instructions like using simple language, keeping it 14 pages long, and limiting each page to 1 or 2 sentences. Once ChatGPT generates the story, always go through it carefully, page by page. Check if the story is clear, fun, and consistent. If you see any parts that need improvement, just ask ChatGPT to revise, rewrite, or make it more interesting. Step 3. Creation of the storybook. After we have our 14-page story from ChatGPT, the next step is to create the actual storybook. Open Google Gemini and look at the left-hand menu. There is a Storybook creation tool available, but since we already have a complete story, we won't select it. Instead, use the search bar at the top. Type, "Write storybook for kids 3 to 9 years old based on this draft." Then paste your full story inside the quotation marks or text area and click the Submit button. Gemini will instantly generate a storybook, splitting your story into 14 pages. Examine each page carefully. Check if the sentences are short, clear, and suitable for kids. If needed, ask Gemini to rewrite using short sentences and 1 to 2 sentences per page. Then, click Submit again. Gemini will regenerate the storybook according to your instructions. Review it one final time and make sure it matches your desired format and style. Once satisfied, download your storybook as a PDF by clicking the Print button. Your completed 14-page storybook is ready. This process shows how we can use AI tools step by step to refine and format a storybook exactly the way we want. Step 4. Turn your Storybook PDF into a Flipbook. Now that your Storybook is ready, it's time to make it digital, interactive, and fun by converting it into a Flipbook. Go to flipbookpdf.net. Open your browser and visit flipbookpdf.net. This is the tool we'll use to convert the PDF. Upload your PDF. Click on the Upload button and choose the Storybook PDF you created earlier. Start the conversion. Select Convert. The website will process your file and turn each page into a realistic Flipbook animation. Download the Flipbook package. When the conversion finishes, click Download Now. Fill in book details. Before the download begins, you'll be asked to enter your storybook name, title, and a short description. Add this information, then continue to download the zip file. Step 5. Unzip and view your Storybook Flipbook. Unzip the downloaded file. You'll receive a zip package. Open it using WinRAR, 7-Zip, or your computer's built-in extractor. Extract the contents to a folder that's easy to locate. Open the Flipbook. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see several files. Find the file that ends with .html and double-click it. View in your browser. Your Flipbook will open in your default web browser, fully interactive and ready to use. Watermark note. You may notice a watermark on the Flipbook. Don't worry. In the next step, I'll show you exactly how to remove it. Step 6. Remove the watermarks. Your Flipbook is almost ready. Now let's remove the 2 watermarks so your storybook looks clean and professional. 1. Remove the first watermark on page 1 image.jpg in the data folder. Here's how to replace it with a clean version. Go to Google AI Studio. Open Google AI Studio and choose the Nano Banana tool. Upload the image. Locate the data folder from your extracted Flipbook and upload 1.jpg. Remove the watermark. In the search bar, type Remove Watermark from Image. Nano Banana will automatically clean the image. Download the cleaned image as 1.jpg again. Replace the old file. Go back to the data folder and replace the old 1.jpg with the new one. Check your Flipbook. Open index.html to confirm the first watermark is gone. 2. Remove the second watermark, Flipbook branding text. This watermark is not on the images. It is part of the Flipbook's web page code. Follow these steps. Open the Flipbook code. Find index.html in your main Flipbook folder. Right-click, open with, choose Notepad or any text editor. Locate the branding lines. Scroll to the body section. You will see 2 lines similar to href equals flipbookpdf.net, Flipbook PDF, and script src equals flipbookpdf.net, ... Delete both lines completely. Select the entire lines and remove them. Save your changes. Go to File, Save. Preview your Flipbook. Double-click index.html again. Both watermarks should now be completely removed. Bonus tips: update or modify your Flipbook anytime. One great advantage of this Flipbook format is its flexibility. Even after your Flipbook is created, you can add new pages, replace old pages, update images or text, refresh the design, whenever you want. Just open the data folder, swap out any image with a new one using the same file name, and your Flipbook will update instantly. If you want a deeper understanding of how to design storybook pages, create flexible layouts in Canva, or add extra pages to your Flipbook, make sure to check out my earlier tutorial on storybook creation for kids. It will guide you step by step. Finally, if this tutorial helps you, please like, share, subscribe, and leave your feedback. Now it's your turn. Go create your own beautiful storybook by following this guide. Not only a fun and creative activity, but also a valuable skill with real earning potential.